Hi, good evening. This is Divya Gandhi. So today I will be talking to you about intermittent fasting. This is a new trend in this society where everybody wants to do those 8 hours of eating and 16 hours of fasting. So if you put it on internet, you will just see, it is something which is very good for weight loss. It is something which improves your hormones and it takes care of your hormonal imbalance, and it is going to help you with your hormonal issues. People who are type 2 diabetes, they can cure their diabetes with intermittent fasting. But if you ask me, being a nutritionist, I am somebody who is just not in favor of intermittent fasting. So I will tell you what are the cons of doing intermittent fasting. Number one, intermittent fasting is only and only for those people who are healthy. Somebody who is lactating, pregnant, someone who is on any kind of medication, be it antibiotic or be it antidepressants. It is not good for them because they may end up having mood swings. It is not good for people who have type 1 diabetes because they can get into hypoglycemic stage, which is more dangerous than, it is not at a cost of losing weight. I'm pretty sure about that. And it is not good for people who have low blood pressure issues, because in those 8-hour windows we can eat anything which is healthy if we aim to lose weight, and we can have unhealthy food as well if we want. But after that, in 16 hours we are only supposed to have liquid like your water, your Diet Coke, your sugar-free drinks. You can have black coffee as well. But then what harm it is going to do to your body? Number one, our body secretes insulin after some time, right? The moment we wake up in the morning, the body gets active and it secretes insulin. So body needs food. हमारे बड़े बोलते थे उठने के घंटे के बाद नाश्ता कर लेना चाहिए. So which is true because body में insulin produce होता है. If that insulin will go unused, it will start releasing in your blood. So people may get insulin resistance, which is the first symptom of your PCOD, which is one of the hormonal imbalance, right? सोचे कि we are picking up that 8 hours का window, which is morning 10 to 6. So we are taking breakfast, so हमें insulin resistance नहीं होगा. Again, the kind of lifestyle that we have, nobody is going to sleep at 9 or 10 o'clock. Everybody is sleeping at 10, 11, 12, right? So if you pick up a slot of 10 to 6 for your intermittent fasting, that means after 6 o'clock you're not eating anything. So the day, see, not eating at night is something which is not practical forever. The day you will eat, हमारी body active हो जाएगी. अरे ये क्या गया body के अंदर? It will एकदम से हमारे blood का जो sugar level है वो increase हो जाएगा. So what you are doing? You are playing with your sugar metabolism. People who do intermittent fasting are more prone to diabetes than people who eat healthy and with proper interval of time. So intermittent fasting is not at all good for any one of us. जैसे हम कभी कभी फास्ट करते हैं, उस टाइम तो हमारा वेट लॉस हो जाता है. अगले दिन जब हम एकदम से खाना खाते हैं, what we experience, we end up gaining weight, right? जितना भी खाया होता है वो बढ़ जाता है, जितना भी वेट लूज किया होता है एक तो वो वापस आ जाता है. प्लस वी गेट शुगर क्रेविंग्स, वी गेट craving to eat tasty food which might be unhealthy, like your junk food, your noodles, your chow mein, your sushi. Sushi is healthy, so somewhat yes. So we may end up eating food which is not tasty, which is tasty and which is not healthy. तो हमारे अंदर nutritional deficiencies भी हो सकती हैं. And अगर हम ये देखें, of course not everybody is going to have insulin resistance. ठीक है. Second side effect of intermittent fasting is your metabolism. When you are eating only for 8 hours, हमारा metabolic rate drop हो जाएगा. Metabolism drop होने का मतलब क्या है? After certain period of time, you will start gaining weight. The moment you will eat, you will start gaining weight. कोई भी डाइट असर नहीं करेगा. हो सकता है आप 30 kgs कम कर लें intermittent fasting पे, but the time will come when all the weight will bounce back. So डाइट वो करना चाहिए जो प्रैक्टिकल है, डाइट वो करना चाहिए जो हमारी बॉडी की फिजियोलॉजी के हिसाब से है.
आप सब कुछ खाइए, प्रॉपर टाइमिंग पे खाइए, उतना खाइए जितनी बॉडी को नीड है. डाइट शुड बी न्यूट्रिशनली कंप्लीट ऑल्सो. थर्ड जो मैं बात करूंगी, आजकल लोग ये भी बोलते हैं, आई जस्ट गॉट अ कॉल इन द मॉर्निंग कि इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग है, कीटो करें, कीटो में इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग कर सकते हैं. नो, वी कैन नॉट डू इट इन कीटो, क्योंकि कीटो में शुगर लेवल ड्रॉप होने के चांसेस होते हैं. सो इफ वी डू इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग व्हाइल डूइंग कीटो, इट हैज मोर साइड इफेक्ट्स ऑन यू. सो if you plan to do intermittent fasting, make sure you're not doing it for more than a week. प्लस जब आप इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग से एग्जिट करते हैं, देयर इज अ वे टू डू इट. आप एकदम से खाना खा नहीं सकते हैं. यू नीड टू फॉलो अ प्रोसेस. धीरे धीरे हटेंगे. Being a nutritionist, I'm just not in favor of it. Yes, it can lead to a very good weight loss, but that weight loss is just temporary. Take my word for it. So, if you have any queries, if you want to know if somebody want to do intermittent fasting, मैं उनको intermittent fasting कराती हूँ. But then I tell all these things to them in advance. So if you have any queries about intermittent fasting, you can leave your comment in the comment box. आप इसके अलावा डाइट रिलेटेड कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हैं, you can always leave a comment. और मैं आपसे फिर मिलूंगी. You stay home, stay fit, stay beautiful, follow a diet pattern. वाहिगुरु जी bless you.